Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Data-driven testing, DDT, is a testing methodology that allows you to run the same test scenario multiple times with different sets of data. This is particularly useful for validating the functionality of web applications with various input combinations. In this tutorial, we will explore how to implement data-driven testing using Selenium WebDriver in Python, along with an example. ### prerequisites. 1. Python 3.x, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. 2. Selenium, install the Selenium package using pip. Bash. Pip install Selenium. 3. WebDriver, download the appropriate WebDriver for your browser, example Chrome driver for Google Chrome, and ensure it is in your system's path. 4. Pandas, optional, for reading data from Excel or CSV, install pandas using pip. Bash. Pip install pandas. ### step-by-step guide. ### step 1, create a test data source. You can use various formats for your test data, such as CSV, Excel, or JSON. For this example, we'll use a CSV file named test_data.csv that contains login credentials. Test_data.csv. Username password. User 1 password 1. User 2 password 2. User 3 password 3. ### step 2, set up the Selenium test script. Here's a simple example of how to implement data-driven testing with Selenium in Python. This script will read data from the CSV file and use it to perform login tests on a sample login page. Test_script.py. Python. Import CSV. Import time. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.common.by import by. From selenium.webdriver.common.keys import keys. #function to read data from CSV. Def read_test_data, file_path. With open, file_path, mode equals R, as file. CSV_reader equals CSV.dictReader, file. Return row for row in CSV_reader. #function to perform login. Def perform_login, driver, username, password. Driver.get, http://example.com/login, #replace with your login URL. Time.sleep, 2, #wait for the page to load. Username_field equals driver.find_element, by.name, username. Password_field equals driver.find_element, by.name, password. Login_button equals driver.find_element, by.name, submit. Username_field.clear. Password_field.clear. Username_field.send_keys, username. Password_field.send_keys, password. Login_button.click. Time.sleep, 2, #wait for the response. #check if login was successful, this is a placeholder, adjust based on your app. If welcome in driver.page_source. Print, F login successful for username. Else. Print, F login failed for username. #main function. Def main. #read test data. Test_data equals read_test_data, test_data.csv. #initialize the WebDriver. Driver equals webdriver.chrome, #change as necessary for your browser. Hashtag loop through each row of test data. For data in test_data. Username equals data username. Password equals data password. Perform_login, driver, username, password. Hashtag close the driver. Driver.quit. If __name___ equals __main___. Main. Hashtag step 3, run the test. 1. Save the CSV and Python scripts in the same directory. 2. Run the test script using the command bash python test_script.py. Hashtag explanation of the code. 1. Read_test_data. This function reads the test data from a CSV file and returns it as a list of dictionaries. 2. Perform_login. This function performs the login operation using the provided username and password. It checks if the login was successful by searching for a specific text on the page. 3. Main. The main function initializes the WebDriver, reads the test data, and iterates through each set of credentials to perform the login tests. Hashtag conclusion. Data-driven testing with Selenium enables you to efficiently validate your application's functionality using various data sets. This approach reduces code duplication and makes your tests more maintainable. You can extend this example by using other data sources, like Excel or JSON, adding more test cases, and implementing better error handling. Feel free to customize the login URL and success criteria based on your application needs. Happy testing!